Page 39.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have reached a verdict in this case. May I have it, Sheriff, please?
There is the verdict. O'Mabra handing it to the judge.
He says that every time he leaves.
Did he say anything else? I mean,
No, I think that he didn't get the full impact of it. Yeah.
You're going to Austin to file an appeal today, is that right?
Just as fast as we can. This country in the heart of darkest Africa, you wouldn't argue a man's life starting at 12 o'clock in the morning. When I think we're coming into Holy Week and Good Friday to have a sacrifice like this, I think we're back 2,000 years. And the blight that's on Dallas with those 12 people who announced the death penalty in this case, they'll make this a city of shame forevermore. And I'm going to participate in it, too, when I write this appeal.
Mr. Bell, I'm Mr. Tonnehill, your associate as a Texan. What's your reaction?
The electric chair.
For every motion that the district attorney made, and they led him into some 30 errors. And
Jury of 8 men and 4 women. Deliberated 2 hours and 25 minutes. Penalty for Jack Ruby, death in the electric chair. The jury of 8 men, 4 women. He has been assessed the maximum penalty. He has been found guilty of murder with malice and has been sentenced to death in the electric chair. Jack Ruby has just been found guilty of murder with malice and has been sentenced to death in the... Jack Ruby has just been sentenced to death in a Dallas courtroom for the shooting of Lee Harvey Oswald, the accused assassin of President Kennedy. Very shortly, Ruby will be coming out this door just outside the courtroom. Sheriff deputies forming a human phalanx.
You may be retired to the jury room. You are officially excused.
The judge has just excused the jury.
Officially discharged.
Sheriff Bill Decker. Now, out he goes. There goes Jack Ruby back to his jail cell. Quick chair. And now court has adjourned as the reporters break out to tell their stories. Max.
We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of murder with malice as charged in the indictment and assess his punishment at death. Signed, Max E. Causey, Foreman. So say you all, ladies and gentlemen. Is that your unanimous verdict? Will all of you whose verdict that is, please hold up your right hands. All right.
I heard last night when those jurors looked at us and said, we don't want to have any argument. We've had our mind made up. Now, that was a nod when the judge said, do you want to go ahead? They didn't even want recess. Why, in a civil...
It's a violent miscarriage of justice.
Anything else to add to that, Mr. Tonnehill?
I'm about to throw up.
What did Jack say after the verdict?
Jack said to come up and say...
You're going to Austin directly from here?
I don't know. I'm going to get out of here and see Jack, and then we're going to start our appeal forthwith.
Are you going up to see him now?
Yeah.
What can you tell him?
We'll determine that when we get up there.
Predict a long legal battle here, Mr. Belli?
Do what?
Predict a real long legal battle here?
Not once we get our appeal filed. I think the points are crystal clear, and we wouldn't have any problem with an appellate court on this
How many
case.
errors?
District Attorney Henry Wade on the steps of the Dallas County Criminal...
From the start,
When this